Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13 quick video test, 1080p 30 frames per second with the Razer Phone 2. Let me know how everything looks, how everything sounds. Optical image stabilization is on. That is a copyright song, so I don't want to get myself in trouble. I'm going to turn it down. Simple minds, don't you forget about me. Windshield wipers are going, no focus, honey. Let me know what the stability is like, the audio quality, the video quality, all of that. This morning, the early morning vlog. I kicked out a video for all of you to watch with the Razer Phone 2, 1080p 30 frames per second. Go watch the video. The video looks really, really good. Is it the best? No. But is it really good? Yes. I'm digging the video quality in the dark. Not all of you are going to shoot video like that. But just in case you do, as a solo device, you're going to get really good quality, audio quality great. Right now, this is probably even better than the early morning vlog. But either way, the Razer Phone 2 so far doing a great job for me. And yeah, I'm really happy with my purchase, $349 over at Amazon. All right, everybody, that's just a quick video. Windshield wipers going, still no focus, honey. But you let me know what you think down below in the comment section. Peace. I'm out. God bless.